Today we're gonna find out, is this the best lighting setup for making YouTube videos? $109, you cannot beat this lighting setup. So what do you get with this lighting setup? You get a case, and with this case, you do get 2 tripods, a remote controller, 2 RGB bicolored lights. Both of these lights have 400 LED lights inside of them. So 120 RGB color lights, and then 140 white lights, as you can see right now, and 140 amber light. You get the barn doors for both lights, and you also get 2 power cables to power both lights, and you get a case for every single piece. You get a case for the actual lights. So with this kit, you also get 2 diffusers, and you can just put them in the little slot, and you just slide them in. So now we're gonna go through the mode changes. As you guys can see behind me right now, this is the first mode, which is the flash mode. And whenever you're going through the different modes, it does show what mode it is. So the first one, flash mode. Second one, flash fast. And then the next one, TV, candle, giving it a nice, honestly, just a beautiful romantic light. Then you have the flame, that rich red color. Next, you have flame 2, the police one. Guess you got your green, you got your red. It's just going on and off. Then you got the ambulance. You have the fire truck. And with these different modes, I just imagine if you're creating a music video and you want to show an ambulance, and now you want to have these lights in the background to really feel that mood, this is what these lights can help you with. Then you have strobe lights. You have strobe lights 2, strobe lights 3, chase slow, chase mid. Then you have chase fast, firework 1, firework 2, firework 3. I can't tire. There's so many modes. Then you have club 1. If you know, I don't know what kind of music y'all listen. I don't know what kind of music y'all listen to, but you got your club lights. Club 2, trying to throw house parties if you're in university or something. And you have your romantic lights if you're inviting over your partner and you really want to have a romantic evening. Pick up these lights. He won't expect this. He won't expect this. Then you have back to the flash modes. So then you just click mode, and it goes back to the regular lights. Yes, you do get a remote controller with this light kit, and it has an on and off button. It has a hue and saturation increase and decrease. Then it has the Kelvin. Oh, while we're talking about Kelvin, it goes from 2500 to 8500 temperature wise, and this remote controller is just beautiful. Just boom, off, on. Oh, light kit almost fell on me. But yeah, now let's talk about something else that this lighting kit offers. It does offer 2 different slots for batteries. The batteries are not included with this kit, but whenever you do purchase these on Amazon, the links are also in the description if you want to purchase these. But it tells you exactly what batteries you need in case you want to take batteries with you. You do have the on switch, which is right here, and then off, the battery button to the far left. Come in at around 78 to 82 centimeters when it's all the way extended. You do get some pretty good height with these lights. But yeah, with this build quality, with these lights, this will really help elevate. Like I said, be careful when you're standing around these. These lights will really help elevate your YouTube content, your music videos, whatever project you are doing. But just remember, this is a this is a budget lighting kit, but this kit really does work.